Hello and welcome to this quick video for this chap here. He was asking, how do you change the voice language on something like an EdgeTX radio? This is the Radio Master TX16S Mark III, and I thought, you know what, this is great because I haven't got a video on this. Now this is one that I'm playing with, and it looks like at the time of recording both the Yapu and iNav scripts are nearly ready. However, let me just show you how easy this is. It isn't particularly tricky. Now, the only thing to remember about this is that you have to have the language sounds on the memory inside the radio, and that could either be an SD card or it could be internal memory, it doesn't really matter. But you have to have those sounds on the SD card, and then you can tell the radio to use them. I've already loaded the Spanish language onto the SD card. So to change it is really simple. All we do, we go into the system menu, we go across into the cog, and we scroll down, and eventually you will find something in here that says voice language. And if we click on that, we get lots of different options. We can have Chinese, Czech, Danish, German, English, and all these others. Now I'm going to select Spanish, and that is done. That's all it takes. Let me turn the radio on and off again.
Bienvenido a EdgeTX.
We're now
Yapu telemetry ready.
in Spanish. Now, some of the sound files for things like Lua scripts are not changed. This is just changing all of the pieces for the EdgeTX operating system itself. So if we go into system again, if we go into the cog icon and scroll down, I can change it back to English pretty easy. So there we go, change it back to my native language. How's that working? Well, again, if we go into system, go into the memory contents, down here in the sounds directory, we have all the different languages listed. And what we can do is we can very easily, we can actually copy new languages into this sounds location. And that's what I've done here to give myself an Espanol directory here for Spanish. How do we do that? Well, first thing, of course, is we need to plug the radio into the computer using a USB-C cable, and on the screen, select storage as the option. Once that's done, it will appear as a thumb drive on the computer, and then what we need to do is we need to download the sound file ready to put into the sounds directory. So this was mine before I copied Spanish across, so it just has English and CN. So if you look here, the README file actually says that it's the place where you put everything. So let's just put that to the side. This location for sounds, I'll put a link below. We can download the latest one. This is for Queen Anne's Revenge, which is what this radio has. And you can see here, there's all these different versions. And in fact, there's several different Espanol or Spanish versions available here. So I'm going to download the one that I'm interested in. It's going to download a zip file. And then what I need to do is unzip those sounds onto the desktop somewhere. Because when we open it, we just have the sounds directory and the Espanol directory, so we can just extract that onto somewhere where we can copy from. So now that's on the desktop, we can just pull that across and drop it into the sounds directory. So that's the one we've just downloaded. So what we'll do is we'll copy that, we'll drag the sounds directory, and this is the radio. So we'll just click paste, and the computer will start to copy the files over. Might take a minute or so. You'll notice that the names of the files are still the English names, but actually the language that's spoken when those files are played will be in Spanish rather than English. Just give it a couple of minutes to copy everything across, then eject the storage from your computer and unplug the SD card. And then when you have a look on your radio, you'll see here that in the ES directory, we have all of these files in here now that we've just copied across, and they are all in Spanish. So for example, if I play acro.wav, we play it.
Modo acro activado.
These are all going to be altitude hold.
Mantener altitud.
These are all going to be the Spanish versions. So that's all you have to do. Copy the files across if they don't already exist on your SD card, and you can check very quickly by just going into the sounds directory and looking at which languages are already here. If the one that you're after isn't here, just copy it across as I've shown, and then go into the cog, scroll down and select the voice language as the language that you want that you've just downloaded or is already on the SD card. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Pedantry 360 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.